This installation video will cover Nasoni 2-handle 4-inch Centerset bathroom fountain faucets. This model is mounted in a 3-hole sink when the hole spread on the sink is 4 inches across. Please confirm your model number applies to this video on our website prior to installation. For this video installation, we'll be using the Nasoni fountain faucet. This product should be installed in accordance with all local and state building codes. If you don't see your fountain faucet's name or model number associated with any posted video, call 1-800-577-1612. That's 1-800-577-1612 to speak to a customer service specialist or visit Nasoni.com to download your step-by-step instruction manual. These are the recommended tools that you'll need for this installation: sealant, an adjustable wrench, and some safety glasses or goggles. Additional helpful tools are a flashlight and a cleanup cloth. Some installations may require new shutoff valves or other additional tools which are not covered in this video. Check our tools and tips video on our website for further information. Now you've already removed your old faucet and cleaned the area of the sink where your new fountain faucet will go. Your water supply valves are still shut off, so let's get started. Take your new fountain faucet out of the box. You should have the following items: a pre-assembled fountain faucet and one pre-assembled push and seal drain. Before installing your new fountain faucet, you'll need to do a little disassembling in order to remove the parts that you'll use to secure it to the sink. First, remove the 2 faucet nuts from the threaded fountain faucet shanks and set them aside for the moment. Next, you'll feed the threaded fountain faucet shank through the 3 holes and position the fixture onto the sink. Then secure your new fountain faucet by hand tightening the 2 faucet nuts on the threaded post that you removed earlier. Now you're ready to connect the existing water lines to the fountain faucet. Hot always connects to the left inlet and cold water supply lines connect to the right inlet. With an adjustable wrench, connect the water supply lines for your hot and cold water. Now that the fountain faucet is connected and secured, it's time to head back to the sink to install your pop-up drain assembly. First off, you want to disassemble the pop-up assembly before you install it into your sink. Remove the stopper from the flange, then remove the flange from the drain body by unthreading it counterclockwise. Next, unscrew the ball rod nut from the drain body, and then remove the spring clip from the ball rod and set them all aside for the moment. To insert the drain body into the hole of the sink, first apply a bead of sealant under the flange and then remove any excess sealant. Then, from under the sink, thread it to the bottom of the flange. Tighten the drain body's lock nut until the rubber washer seats securely inside the drain opening. Tighten and make sure to adjust so that the ball rod opening faces the rear of the sink. Then drop the stopper into the drain body with the offset slot facing the rear. Then go below the sink and insert the shorter end of the ball rod into the opening in the back of the drain body and through the offset slot. Then hand tighten the ball rod nut, but make sure not to over tighten. Then insert and secure the drain assembly into the P-trap pipe fitting and again tighten by hand. To connect the lift rod to the drain assembly, start with the ball rod in the down position. Place one end of the spring clip onto the end of the ball rod. Insert the ball rod through any hole in the strap connection. We've chosen to insert the ball rod through the 3rd hole in the strap for our installation. Then secure the strap and ball rod by connecting the other end of the spring clip onto the ball rod. Now, with the ball rod still in the bottom position, insert the bottom of the lift rod into the hole at the top of the strap. If needed, you can adjust the lift rod height by removing and choosing a different hole in the strap to mount the ball rod through above the deck. Be sure to leave enough space between the lift rod knob and the spout body when the lift rod is down. Once you've determined the proper position of the lift rod and the train assembly, tighten the screw on your strap with your wrench. Return topside and confirm that the pop-up is operating properly. If necessary, make any adjustments. All that's left to do now is to check for leaks. Go back under the sink and turn on the hot and cold water valves. Make sure the water lines are not dripping or spraying water anywhere. Return topside, and before you run any water, Nasoni has provided each fountain faucet with a unique coin slot aerator. Your fountain faucet comes with an aerator removal key. However, should you lose this key, the coin slot aerator can easily be removed by using a quarter to turn it counterclockwise. Be sure to remove the aerator from the fountain faucet's head and allow the hot and cold water to run for at least 15 seconds to clear the water lines. Then reinstall and tighten the aerator. If your fountain height is less than normal, you may need to clean debris from the fountain nozzle. Unscrew the nozzle counterclockwise and use a clean toothbrush and water to gently clean the underside of the nozzle. Then reinstall. All Nasoni fountain faucets come with a Nasoni story cloth. Use this cloth to clean your faucet. Never use any harsh chemicals or cleaners, as this may damage the finish and void the warranty. We hope this video has made your DIY experience a success. Visit us at Nasoni.com for more tips and tools for your DIY projects. At Nasoni, your experience matters to us, and we are committed to providing you the finest products and best customer experience. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us online or at our toll-free telephone number displayed on your screen. Nasoni, the future of faucets is here.